All right, for those of you that are confused on how this headlamp connector works on a Porsche, I'm going to explain what you got to do. I've dislodged one pin. This connector is broken, and I'll show you a good connector. Sorry, I only have one hand, and so this is a good connector. You buy these online, Pelican parts, whatever. All right, so what we're going to do is these little red things right here, right there, that's a lock. And I'm going to tell you how to open the lock. Then once you open the lock, you have to use a special little tool. You can buy it online and push. And you really need someone helping you, because there's someone pushing and holding the connector while you're pulling the wire is important. So let me first show you the lock. So you want to put a pick right in here and pull it this way to open it. You'll hear it click. So you're going to put a pick, here's a pick, in here, and you're going to pull it that way. That opens the lock. Then you're going to take this tool right here, one of these. They'll both work, but I use the smaller one. You can see there's a larger one and a smaller one. And you're going to put that in the opening. So we're on the last one. When you take these wires out, you got to do them one at a time so you're putting them in the right spot. You don't want to mess this up. When you're working on this connector, the best way to work on it is take this wheel lining out. There's several things I'm doing in here, but you know, then you put that yellow clip in place. Typically that blue thing breaks, the yellow clip breaks, that holds it. When you're pushing your headlight in, that yellow clip is what's holding that blue on the metal connector. And right now I'm fixing the washer and the screen. We got the washer bottle out, but here's the screen. This is why the headlamp washers didn't work, because it was filled up with 22 years of who knows what that is. So I've got that out too, and we'll fix all that. The washer bottle is down here on the floor, and I've got new, we'll pick it up and we'll show you where those two things go. So the bigger hole is the headlamp washer, and the smaller hole is a windshield washer. And there's two different size grommets. This isn't that hard of a job. The hardest thing is getting the fender liner out and then figuring out there's two bolts and a bracket you got to take off. But here's the two grommets. Also, you have to pull this the filler tube out. But the two grommets right there on top of there's a small one and a big one. If my assistant will pick the small grommet up and the big grommet. There's the small grommet. They're actually in pretty good shape, but I bought new ones. And again, the big grommet is bigger. This one, you had Pelican parts, had to kind of get that from some Porsche facility somewhere. There's a bracket right here that holds the front of the washer bottle, and so you take a fastener out, but that has a little snap fastener, so you got to snap that off. And then when you're pulling the washer bottle down, you have to finagle it up here in the front. You have to pull it out in the back. There's two rubber grommets in the back of it right there. There's one, two. And then right up here, that empty hose is where it feeds into the windshield washer system up in the front. So there's a little tidbit there, but here's what this stuff looks like. There's the connectors you have to disconnect. This is the pump for the headlamp washers. It's actually in pretty good shape still. And this is the pump for the windshield washers. Then there's a little pad right there I got to take off and swap it. Sits in between them.